GoTo Resolve helps you monitor IT systems remotely in ways that can simplify IT management for your business. But before you jump into using it, let's dive into the specifics of how it works and if it's really the right solution for you. First off, GoTo Resolve's remote monitoring capabilities allow you to keep an eye on IT systems without being on site, which can save a lot of time and travel costs. It gives you the flexibility to manage IT systems across multiple locations from anywhere. But while the remote monitoring aspect is solid, it's not perfect. You might find some limitations when it comes to the integration with specific tools or systems that you already use. It could take some time to fully customize to your exact needs. Next, GoTo Resolve offers proactive monitoring. It automatically detects potential problems before they escalate, which could prevent downtime and costly repairs. However, this automation isn't always as precise as some other tools out there. While it's great for catching common issues, it sometimes misses the more nuanced problems that require manual intervention or deeper insight. The third thing worth mentioning is the real-time alerting system that GoTo Resolve provides. It notifies you about critical issues as they happen, so you can respond quickly. But the downside? The alerts can sometimes be overwhelming, especially if you're managing a complex IT infrastructure with lots of moving parts. You'll have to fine-tune the settings to prevent the constant barrage of notifications that could distract you from important tasks. Now, GoTo Resolve also boasts remote access features that let you troubleshoot and fix problems from anywhere. This is particularly useful if you have a remote team or if your technicians need to work on site but prefer to monitor and fix issues from a distance. However, while the remote access works well in many situations, you might run into occasional lag or slow response times, especially if your internet connection isn't up to par. The fifth thing GoTo Resolve promises is simple scalability, allowing you to add more devices and users as your business grows. But while this sounds good in theory, scaling up your plan can get expensive if you're managing a large number of devices. You might find yourself paying more as your business expands, which could make it less cost-effective than some competitors. And here's where it gets interesting. While GoTo Resolve is a solid tool, there are other solutions out there that might serve you better. Tools like SolarWinds and NinjaRMM offer robust alternatives that allow for more customization, better pricing tiers for larger teams, and even more detailed reporting capabilities. Now, before you make any decisions, you need to hear about an exclusive offer. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available for GoTo Resolve, plus some additional benefits you won't find elsewhere. But if you're after something even more tailored to your business needs, we've also provided some fantastic alternatives that can help you monitor IT systems remotely even more effectively, and they come with their own free trials. To sum it up, GoTo Resolve might work well for small to medium-sized businesses that need a reliable, straightforward remote monitoring solution. But if you're looking for more customization, scalability, and in-depth insights into your IT systems, exploring other tools might be worth your time. Check out the links below for all the best deals and trials.